Why wouldn't you look like a hero to your client, right? And this is what we call the pre-frame, right? So when you're talking with your first-time home buyer, hey, your loan's clear to close. I know that you're going to closing next week. As soon as we get that closing disclosure, right now you've already signed the pre-closing disclosure. Perfect, you're all set. When we get the final numbers, I'm going to call you. We'll go over it line by line and make sure you're completely comfortable with everything, and then we'll talk about what's going to happen when you sign, right? That's how you take great care of your clients. I just want you to know, and then there's a couple times right there I would talk about homesteading, other things that are going to happen at closing. Hopefully I can go to the closing. If I'm allowed to go, I like to go, because again, that's where you get your video testimonials. You can send out, use on social media, okay? Send to other nervous Nelly, first-time home buyers that are coming in. Hey, here's somebody we just closed. Love this for you to check out this video testimonial that my client was kind enough to do for me at closing. But anyway, again, pre-frame. Hey, after closing, you're not going to believe the amount of junk scam mail you're going to get. All right, so I want you to be prepared. If you have questions about any of the junk mail, if it has my company name on it, it's not necessarily from my company. I want you, if you have questions and you're concerned, take a picture and send it to me in an email. I'm happy to tell you what it actually is, right? So first of all, they usually get requests to pay for a copy of their deed, which is a ridiculous scam, right? They're asking them for $75 to $200 to pay for a copy. And if you guys don't know this stuff is going on, you need to talk to your clients after closing and find out what they're experiencing so you can help the clients in process and in the future so they know what to expect. But anyway, so at closing, you usually talk to them about that. You don't have to pay for a copy of your warranty deed. You've actually paid for it here with the title company at closing. Here it is on your closing disclosure. You're going to get that. Don't pay any money. That's a scam, okay? You can also talk to them about what the transfer letter would look like if they transfer servicing. But let's get back to the point at hand. You can let them know you're going to get about 10 to 15 companies soliciting you for life insurance. Is that something that you would consider or that you would like? Yes or no? No. Okay, then don't disregard all that. If you decide that you change your mind in the future, I have somebody great. Or if they say, yes, I actually would consider life insurance because if something happens to me, you know, my spouse can't pay this, or I don't know if I get if I become disabled, I don't know how I'm going to pay. Great, I have an amazing life insurance agent or disability, right? So find out when you're doing your intake with your strategic referral partner what products they sell. If they don't sell disability, they all should. Life insurance usually sells disability. But these are questions you want to ask so that you know how to position your strategic referral partners to your client and your other strategic referral partners.